Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your voice in Adobe Audition. It's really simple and easy. So for this, first of all, you have to open the Adobe application software in your laptop or PC, and then you simply have to add your voice or sound here. Just double click on it and import your voice and then drag it to this timeline. Now you have to select it, press Ctrl A to select, then come to this effects tab here and you can see these arrows. Now you have to select time and pitch and then simply tap on this pitch shifter. Change the semitone to change the voice. Now you can play it here. You can see these options here. You can select this custom or you can select these pitches here, or if you select this custom you can play it with this cents or semitones here, and then when you are pleased with it you can simply tap on this apply, and that's pretty much it. That's how to change voice in Adobe Audition. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.